If your phone keeps reminding you about unread messages or app notifications, it can get annoying. Luckily, on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra or Plus, you can turn off these repeated alerts in just a few steps. First, open your phone's Settings app. Then tap Notifications to see all the notification options. Scroll down a bit and select Advanced Settings. Here you'll find Repeat the Notification Alert. This is what makes your phone keep reminding you about unread notifications. If there are apps that bug you the most, you can turn it off for just those apps. You can also choose how often you want to be reminded. But if you want it completely off, just toggle it off. After that, your phone will stop sending you repeated alerts, but you'll still see notifications in the status bar. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time.